Come in!
Quack! Quack! What are you doing here? Thought I'd cooked my goose egg. Son, is that any way to treat your long-lost feather father?
Your father? Ugliness certainly runs in the family.
He's not my father. Don't listen to him. He is overcome. Son, how'd your daddy? Your mother and I have been worried sick. Don't let him near me. Does he look like a doctor?
Now, dear. Folks who live in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that.
He's a cat. Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he has caused you any inconvenience, and I'm most grateful that you've kept him all in one piece. I'm telling you, he's a tomcat. A low, down, dirty, double-crossing,
Hungry.
no good conniving tomcat!
It's no good, the line was busy.
Why, hello!
Mercy, another duck? Don't you have a pond to go to or something?
Meow.
Shouldn't you be getting back? You said his mother was sick with worries.
Meow. Meow. I told you he was a tomcat!
A tomcat? Don't get any funny ideas, Queenie. We have an arrangement, don't forget. Oh no, there will be tears before bedtime.
Madam, I'd be honored, though I'm not of your ilk, if we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
Sir, I'd be delighted, though it's true you're a scruff. But when one's had things easy, one likes a bit of rough. Oh, Queenie, you loose cat.
Meow.
Meow.
Together on the tabletop, together we will sit on garden walls. Together we will make tea with sea butter.
Together, you'll be throwing up purple. Together, we will build ourselves a cat lab. Together, after dark we'll fly away.
Together we will snuggle for a cat nap.
Together, you could string a violin. Have you forgotten, dear? The clinic has confirmed that they can fit you in. You need to be dewormed, and with your last attack, you almost filled a sack. So maybe you should go. It's only fair to say that she is rather prone to carry parasites. Her fur is not her own, and on the hygiene front, to be both frank and blunt, it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to gripe, I don't think she'd be your type. Together, we will sing our own pet's chorus.
Together we can choose our favorite key. Together we will conquer all before us.
Together, you can rid her of her fleas. You have to help me out. It's looking pretty grim. What will become of me if she should go with him? She's gone all gooey-eyed, and I am terrified she'll leave me on the shelf. Go on then, run! Oh dear, alas, alas, the door was left ajar. The duckling has escaped. won't have got that far. If you start making tracks, you're bound to hear his quack and catch him for yourself. Don't let us delay your trip. He'll soon be within your grip. Come back! Together we will overcome this heartache. Together we've the strength to see it through. Together, as if nothing really happened. Together we will stay. Together we will stay. Together.